Good morning. This is a pep talk from a friend to you, no matter how you're feeling. I'm here to remind you of how awesome you are and set the tone for an amazing day ahead. In the midst of life's stressors, consider this a short positive timeout, which you so greatly deserve. Use this in the morning, lunchtime, or evening, whenever you like. Stick around till the end for best results and changing your subconscious thoughts about yourself that might be less than what you actually deserve. This can be used in any activity, and I encourage you to get moving. I'm a friend who will tell you what you may not be hearing today from anybody else, so let's set the tone for your day and let's get going. Here we go. You see, there's good vibes in everything and everyone you meet today. You see good vibes in everyone and everything today, throughout your day. You're a powerhouse of joy and energy. Your spirit is unstoppable, and today you're on fire. You radiate confidence today. Your energy is contagious all day long. It truly is. Every step you take is a dance of a celebration. In fact, do some dance steps. If you're at the gym, keep going because you are an awesome person. Just because you're one of a kind, you're capable. You are worthy of everything life has to offer. I am truly meaning that. I see you. You've got this. You have absolutely got this. If you're driving, just know I see you. You're seen and you're recognized for your feelings. You are validated. You are so worthy, totally worthy. You are a magnet for happiness and good vibes. Today, you choose to shine and spread positivity. You're a burst of sunshine, lighting up the world. If you're having a bad moment, just know you are loved and lovable. You attract success and fun in everything you do today. And your enthusiasm for life is boundless. Your enthusiasm for life is infectious. Today, everyone will respond positively to you because you are a dancing force of creativity and inspiration. You handle that stress today with ease and a smile because you deserve it. You are a superstar, and your life is a fantastic performance. Your heart is open. You welcome love and laughter, even during your workday, even if it's tough, even if it's a hard day, or whether you're out having fun. Just know that you are a bundle of goodness. You are surrounded by the aura of boundless energy. Today, you're the hero of your own uplifting story. You are a powerhouse of motivation and positive vibes. Your body is like a dance floor, so go ahead and move with confidence. You attract those opportunities that make your heart skip a beat. You are a magnet for success and good fortune. Just think about that. You truly are, because you're you. Today, go for the rhythm of your dreams. Today, you're a beacon of light, and you're going to spread love and joy, even in frustrating places and moments like grocery stores or places that make people upset or angry. Not you, though. Today, you radiate with the energy of 1,000 smiles. You're a celebration of life, and today is your party. Your energy is going to be infectious. You are inspiring others around you. You attract vibrant, enthusiastic people into your life and into your day. Maybe new strangers you've never met that now become acquaintances or friends because you're a masterpiece of joy, love, and positivity, aren't you? Yes, you are. Today, you're going to be a magnet for all things fabulous. Your possibilities are just endless. So why not dance with them all? You're a source of inspiration to lift other people higher. You have your own affirmations of greatness because you're just a good, great human being. You're all that you need to be. You're so worthy. You are so loved. You are so talented and creative and on time and a good, whether you're an employee or an entrepreneur or beating to your own drum out there in life. I am your friend that you can listen to and turn to for inspiration and joy, because we have to uplift each other, don't we, in this negative world? Because you are so good. I want you to just be having the best day. That's what it's about. And yeah, maybe it doesn't have to be the most spectacular day in the whole world, but this is the day that you have because you're you. And you are given this time, and appreciate this day because you are a grateful human being. You're a grateful person, aren't you? Yes, you are. You're so worthy. You're so loved. You're so confident. I see it for you, even if you don't see it for yourself quite yet. If you listen every day or come back often to my channel, you're going to start feeling more and more, because that's what we're doing here. We're inspiring, we're helping, and because you're helping too. You're out there living your dreams, living your day, changing your life to find your dream, and you can do that too. But starting with today, this is a good day for you to be alive. It's a great day for you to be shining your beacon of light all over other people, everybody you might want to come in contact with today. So I just want to tell you, guess what? You're done. You did it today. You got through this. Feel the empowerment and let these little affirmations boost your spirits today, because this is real. And the more you tell yourself these things and listen to these things, the better it's going to be for you. I hope you enjoyed today, and I have put a link in the description below with a totally free guide on today's episode. Double check that you have hit that subscribe button, because new episodes are rolling out all the time and I don't want you to miss them. This is Kate Wilder, and this is the Wilder Talk Show, and this is your today's pep talk. Have a great day.